me again. So we're going to do crane pose or crow pose, and I've got different bits of equipment, so I'll show you different ways of getting in. So again, something like this can take a long time to get right. So try not to think of this as, I'm just going to do it today. Every day you do it, you might progress a little bit further, but this is all about the experience rather than just, oh, I'm in a pose, there we go. I'm quite funny. As soon as I can do a pose, I stop doing it and I find something else. Because to me, it's not the actual pose, it's the determination, it's the playing, it's the experience of trying to get into that pose that I enjoy. And once I do it, I'm like, okay, what's next? So try not to think of just the pose itself. Especially with this, really notice the thoughts that are running through your head. In other words, are you being nasty to yourself? So, I've put a cushion there, so if you're at home, just shove a load of pillows around you, because the hardest thing about this pose is actually your own fear. Because obviously if you lose balance, you will fall on your face. So if you have lots of pillows around you, then at least that should take an element of the fear away. So earlier I mentioned about arm length. If you've got shorter arms, this is going to be a little bit more challenging for you. Shorter legs as well. So you can use blocks. So I'm going to use blocks for the first one. So we're going to start on the blocks to elevate your body a little bit more. And I need to pull these horrible pants up. So where you have your hands is something you need to experience. You need to have a play with it. But you just don't want your hands right here because there's nowhere for you to move. So you might want your, if you go too far, then your knees are too far away. So I kind of like have, where are they without overstretching and without being too bent that I feel like I'm slouching. So it's kind of in that area. Fingers are really spread so that you can anchor down through the hands. So for you, the first part might be, can you get your knees to the top of your arms and then squeeze them? When you start squeezing them, you're going to squeeze the elbows out a little bit again, so you're getting this integrity on the inside of your thighs and in the chest and the back. So like I said, the first thing for you is just going to be getting your body into the right position. So as you come up, you're going to lift your bum, elbows in, and can you bring your elbows above the wrists? And then you take yourself back. So that is how it starts. So you can pull that a little bit closer in case you want to fall. So lift, elbows. And then when you do crane, you want to look in front of you. Your body will go where your eyes go. So if you're looking through, you're going to land up in a forward roll. So from there, elbows in, look forward, elbows above the wrists. Now from here, maybe you can float 1 foot up, put it down, maybe another one. That might take you a week to do, it might take you a month to do. It depends on your upper body strength. And don't forget, I haven't got any boobs to carry me. So if you've got bigger boobs, got bellies, whatever else, these things matter when we try and do these postures. So from there, we're going to go into lifting both the legs. So, bum up, hug it in, one leg. And this is about balancing into it rather than jumping into it. So it wants to be a lift and a lift, or a float the leg up, rather than very hard, because that means your balance is in the right way. To be honest, that's how I do my handstands, because I still haven't got them right. So really keep an eye on this. This part, elbow needs to stay above there. Okay? So all your weight is there. When you come into your crane, the hips are in this area as well. So elbows above the wrists. Pull the tummy in, try and lift your hips up. Float 1 foot up. So your balance, your hands are going to be really strong, your wrists arms. All of this weight is driving through this center rather than any weight in your feet. So you've really got to get your bum over your wrists as well. So maybe you've got quite far, and there's just that little bit of help that you need. Too high. The only thing I don't agree with this is you've got to tuck your head in a little bit, but at least if you've got that there, it just gives you a little bit of security as well, and I think it's some comfort. So you can go up to there. Put your head down on. Okay? So at least that you can't fall down. Like I said, the only thing about that is you're kind of looking down when you should be looking ahead. But it's a start, and it's just something to help you get that right. And then eventually, if you've got short legs and stuff, you'll probably stay on the blocks, it doesn't matter. Or you come into. And that's your crane pose. A lot of wrist work, strengthening that you need. It's why it's really important that you do tricep push-ups or chaturangas properly. And you pull the elbows in, because that's where your strength is going to come from. Just trying to think if there's anything else I need to say about that. Yeah. The hardest part, apart from the physical elements of that, is your fear. So get loads of cushions to try and take that fear away from you. Bye.